1. Prepare all the necessary tools for installation. 2. Check whether all the accessories are complete. 3. Check whether all parts are damaged. 4. After preparing all, we begin to install the gazebo. Note, if the accessories or products are damaged or missing, please contact our after-sales commissioner in time. Step 1. Fix the base in your desired installation. Position for fixing, please refer to the video above. Step 2. Put the columns in order. Mount on the base, please refer to the video above. Step 3. Align the beams in order to the column slots and screw fixing, please refer to the above video. The beams are then fixed to the columns in turn. Step 4. We start installing the sink. Here you need to pay attention to the sink and the beams are in place. Then start fixing the sink screws. Step 4. Connect the sink line to the other sink. Step 5. Start installing the blades. Install the last piece first and insert the drive shaft. Please refer to the video above. Care needs to be taken here. The blades are spaced about 5 centimeters apart from the sink. Lock the blade track locating screws. After completing the above steps, begin installing the blades in sequence. Make sure each blade is in place. Step 6. Start installing the drive shafts. Attach the drive shaft to each blade. Step 7. Start installing the motor. The motor and drive shaft fixed, please refer to the video above. Step 8. The motor wiring can be according to your needs and carry out emissions, please refer to the above video. Follow the labeled connections in order. After the installation is completed, install the trim shell in turn. This completes the installation of one of our sealed smart gazebo is now complete. Note, after the gazebo is installed, check whether all the details are installed in place too. Prevent the commissioning period. Cannot be normal operation of the situation occur occurs, include a